So today I am out here, we're putting the cover on, but since we had all this concrete work, not all my pins are drilled, and so I'm going to have to drill new holes for the pins to hold the cover on. We got it on enough to hold it in place, and then I'm going back to old pictures to look at exactly where the pins need to be placed, and need to drill those out. So that's what I'm doing now. Getting the cover on there, that's the very last thing. So everything else is done. It's winterized. Cleaned all the leaves out of it that flew in it today, and now we're just getting the cover on. So that's where we're at. So hang tight, we'll get started here. So we've gone around some places that I could see in the pictures where these pins need to be, and I've marked where I need to drill. So I'm going to drill them out now. I got a pilot drill bit here first. These are concrete drill bits. Oh, well, that's interesting. Blew out that side. They don't have to be real deep because the inserts are not that deep. Let me show you one. These are the inserts that we're putting in there. I'm putting new ones in, and so that, yeah, they don't have to be real deep. It's 3/4 inch. So let me go get my 3/4 inch drill bit. I need to go get my vacuum cleaner so we can get this cleaned out. Okay, let's see if this one worked. Perfect. That'll work. All right, I couldn't find that tool, but I found a bolt that I think will work. There we go. Perfect. There we go. All right, so I'm just going to do that all the way around and get everything set and put in, and then I'll come back with you at the end. Okay, I've got all these, and I got about 7 of them here. So we're going to go ahead and hook these. Take your tool, put it on there. I typically like to do every other one. That kind of helps with the tension. And then you can go back and get the other ones a lot easier. Yep, that'll work. That'll make the rest of these a lot easier, getting some of that tension out of there. So, all right, I'm going to continue on, get some more holes drilled, and get some of these in there. So I'll come back with you. All right, I am down to my last 2. I actually ran out. I think in that kit I bought there was 25, and I'm probably missing half a dozen, so I'll have to buy some more. But it's on, and it's on secure, so not too worried about it. I would like to get them on before it rains on us, though. So I'll get them ordered tonight. Okay, well, I've got everything out that I've got, so we'll wait for the other ones and finish putting those on. But at least cover's on. Should be protected that way. So I think this is where we're gonna wrap this video up. I've got, like I said, I think 6 or 7 more to do. I'll finish those up when I get them in, but let's wrap this video up. So you saw the pool closing start to finish. It's pretty simple, something you can do yourself, and I know that pool company would have charged probably about $800 to do that, to completely close the pool up, because we got a couple of flyers and that was their special price. So yeah, no, we can do that ourselves, save us $800. Now it took a few days to do it, you know, not all day. It takes steps, and they would have done it in a couple of hours, but I know I think I had them do it the first year we lived here, and I tell you what, they actually half-assed it. The filter in there, they just sprayed it off. They didn't take the filter apart, clean each individual grid. They just sprayed the filter off all together, and you can't get all that DE out of there. So yeah, I was not happy at all. So we've done it every year since, and we'll continue to do it. So anyway, thanks for watching Rolling Country Outdoors. Come visit. Please take the time to like and subscribe, and hey, share and subscribe. Get your friends to subscribe. I appreciate you watching. Y'all have a good evening, and we'll catch you in the next video. Take care.